Cook with Regina, AYOYO soup and AKPLE ZOZO. AYOYO or Ademe with AKPLE ZOZO, that's the recipe we are making today. A truly organic meal made with love. Don't go anywhere, let's cook this together. Ingredients. Our ingredients are simple, fresh and ready to kickstart this delicious journey. We've got green pepper, onion, Habanero pepper, shrimp Maggi cube, Ademe or jute leaves, smoked mackerel, beef, Wele or cow skin, Dawadawa, that's fermented locust beans, corn powder or AKPLE some cassava dough. Everything is set, let's fire it up. Prep the fire. We pour charcoal into the coal pot and light it up. This is where flavor begins at the fire. Grind the base. Wash your habanero pepper, green pepper and onion. Add the peppers to your earthenware bowl. Slice in your onion and green pepper and grind it all together. That's your base. Build the flavor. Wash the beef, work on the Wele and add both to a pot. Add your ground pepper mix, pour in water, give it a good shake and place it on the fire. Break your smoked mackerel into preferred sizes, add to the pot along with some sliced onion. Now, sprinkle in some salt, crumble in the shrimp Maggi, shake, cover and let it boil. Work on the leaves. Pour water on your jute leaves. Wash thoroughly and set it aside. Now take the boiled beef and fish off the fire. In a new pot, add water, Dawadawa and a small pinch of baking soda. Stir gently and when it's ready, take it off the fire. Stir the boiled jute leaves well and add them to the beef and fish mixture still on fire. Mix thoroughly. Now for the final cake, drop in a fresh habanero for extra aroma. Mix, stir and take it off the fire. AYOYO soup done. Time for the AKPLE ZOZO. Put a fresh pot on fire, add water, a pinch of salt and cover to boil. In a bowl, mix some corn flour with a bit of water. In another, mix and sieve the cassava dough. Once your water boils, reduce the heat. Pour in the corn flour mix. Stir and cover to simmer. Now, fetch a bit of the cooked mix aside. Add more dry corn flour to the pot and stir. It should start to thicken. Begin driving, thus stirring vigorously. Add back the set aside corn mixture and your cassava dough. Keep driving. Lower the heat and cook through. When it's smooth, stretchy and well cooked, scoop it into your earthenware bowl. The grand finale, our green velvety AYOYO soup is ready. The AKPLE ZOZO is hot and proud. We plate, we serve, and we feast. Ah, do you smell that? That's not just steam from the pot, no. That's history, that's culture, that's identity, rising slowly from the bowl of green AYOYO soup and a firm ball of AKPLE ZOZO. We didn't just cook, we revived a story told in every Ewe home, passed from grandmothers with wisdom in their fingers. AYOYO, fresh, green and vibrant, slippery not just in texture, but in how easily it slips into your heart. AKPLE, firm yet gentle, a perfect zozo, not too soft, not too tough, balanced, bold. Together, they are more than food, they are ritual. Cooking AYOYO is about patience. It's about standing by the fire, staring like you are in the conversation with your ancestors. It's about seasoning with love, tasting with memory, adjusting with intuition. And now, look at us. We've stirred the pot, we've summoned the aroma, we've brought tradition to life. So go on, roll that AKPLE between your fingers, dip it deep into the soup, let it soak and let it speak. And when it touches your tongue, that's not just flavor, that's legacy. Whether you are in Ho, Accra, London or New York, this dish connects you. It says, I remember, I belong, I matter. From Cook with Regina to the cooks, the culture keepers, the kitchen storytellers, this one's for you. Share this with someone who needs a taste of home. Tag us in your AKPLE and AYOYO creations. Subscribe for more food stories and so, because this is more than a meal, it's a movement, and you, dear viewer, are a part of it. See you in our next episode. This is Cook with Regina.